everyone and welcome. This video I want to walk you through how to ask questions on Deepseek. So once I ask a question on Deepseek, simply type message Deepseek here. Simply type there and ask a question. For example, how old am I? And it's a very simple question because Deepseek doesn't know that, but let us find out if it does. Click on send and you wait for the response. So you can ask questions about books, about God. If you check, you see some questions I've already asked previously. I've asked about how to make money. Look at it, how to make money. I tried using the search, this one, for internet search. So it was having technical difficulty at that time. Then I also asked about God. I also had to summarize a document. You see, I've asked so many questions. I asked it about God, who is God, and the rest of it. And I'm asking how old am I? Since the server is busy, I can try again later. So you can try again later if I actually want the answer to the question. So that is how to ask questions on Deepseek. But for now, you can't send any audio questions. You can't use voice, so it's just simply typing for now. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.